Everybody, and welcome to June, flaming June as they say, so let's hope we've got beautiful weather for this month. To celebrate June, our flower of the month is the garden rose. Absolutely beautiful fragranced rose. This particular one is David Austin Juliet. It has a lovely fragrance, and you can see it's almost got a peony-esque kind of appearance to it. So this is Juliet. So I'm going to create a hand-tied style arrangement in this rather nice galvanised jug, which are available on our website. I'm going to put a little mix of flowers together, peach, creams and blues really. So I'm going to use Delphinium Ballkleid, which is a beautiful subtle pale blue, a white Rose Mondial. Now this is a white rose that we've been using in our wedding boxes. It's a really beautiful sized rose, nice big head. Not as much fragrance as you'd get from a garden rose, but a very faint perfume. So obviously we've got our Juliet, and then we've got Sweet Sara's a spray rose. So a nice combination of peaches, blues and a little bit of ivory there. So the florist tools that I'm using today, very simple, trusty pair of carbon blade scissors. Love the carbon blade scissors, they really are worth the extra money. They last really well, really strong. Then I've got some twine, garden twine or mossing twine. I'm using green on this occasion, but you can get the natural one, and that looks just as good. And then I've got the 12mm anchor tape I'm just going to bind the stems together with when I've finished, just for extra security. So a really simple toolbox today, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed our jug arrangement that we created for you today. Beautiful summery colours, really subtle and soft, fantastic tones, lovely David Austin roses here, lend a little bit of fragrance, so perfect for a wedding, to decorate your home, maybe if you've got an outdoor party coming up, those sitting on the tables would look absolutely stunning. So don't forget to like us, share us with your friends. Do ask questions as well, and we'll do our absolute best to answer those for you. And enjoy the month of June, and we hope to see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.